I make banana muffins, completely sugar-free. And today I'm going to use that to make my own almond meal. So, you can buy almond flour, but you could make your own. So we're going to first start off by peeling the banana. I'm going to reserve the skin, and we're going to make something out from the skin later on. Non-roasted, and then we're going to bake it off anyway, so it will develop that beautiful almond flavor. This recipe is suitable for people who are diabetic because I'm not using any flour at all. I'm not using any sugar. So if you are a very ricey person or noodle person and you like to switch out to have a little bit more fruit, you can. So you have to replace some of the carbs and add some fruit. So what I do is I make some soy sauce, some mirin, some seasoning. You could also put some flavors that has like a smoky flavor as well, and brush that onto the banana skin. You can actually choose less ripened bananas. It creates less gas for some people.
We call it BB bacon.
BB bacon. I call it a banakan.
Banakan.